going to show you how to do starch. And look at this one is not doing starch, it's just finish one. It's look like this. When we starch it, it's like flat like this. I can show you other things as well. This one is starch one, this one is also starch. Look at this. And let's begin then. First, I am going to mix 3 tablespoons of cornstarch with 500 milliliter tap water. Mix well. Now I am going to cook until thick. After cook, it's look like this. I leave each side until cool down. It's ready. It's not too hot. Now I can handle it. And I am going to dip few seconds. And going to squeeze it. Like this. I have 4 of them like this, and I need all of them same size, and I cut same size circles, 4 circles, and put it here and put on plastic paper. I put in the plastic paper top of it, and I put it on here, and I'm going to same circle, and it's come out like the same circle. And now I am going to leave it to dry. When is it dry, I show it to you. I done starch all of my coasters. It's look like this. Look at this, they all are same because I put it in the same size circle, same size circle. Look at this, they all. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts and ideas, and check out my other videos for more fun crochet projects. Bye bye, see you again.